How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a oil life light reset on a 2006 to 2007 Honda Accord. So you're going to turn on the ignition. As you can see, saying 5% oil life. If it wasn't and you were doing it early, let's say it was on trip B, you would just cycle using a button over here until you got to your percentage. Now you're going to press and hold the button right over here. Gonna keep holding until it starts flashing. There you go, it's flashing. Now you're gonna let go. You're gonna press and hold once more until it goes to 100%. And there you go. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.